Hi everyone. In this occasion, I want to present a work performed by a student at the University of Guadalajara. This work is titled Microstructural and Microbiological Analysis of Architecture Titanium 25 Tantalum with Cooper addition components for orthopedic applications. In this work, we try to emulate the human bone structure, which is composed by a trabecular zone, which is relatively porous, and also outer layer with higher density, which is named cortical bone. This layer provides the bone of a structural resistance. So we try to emulate this configuration using a porous zone in an inner layer in the component fabricated by using a titanium 25 tantalum alloy, which has proved very good biological properties, mechanical properties adequate for implants. Also, we use the same alloy with a Cooper addition. This is with the intention of provide the component to the antibacterial activity. So we fabricate these components by using the powder metallurgy technique, the conventional powder metallurgy technique. For this, a plastic device was designed to allow place the powders of each layer inside of a steel die or compact the powders. This device allowed to place the composition of the inner layer here and the outer layer in this side. So the layers are relatively separated one of each other. So after this step, we perform the compaction process to obtain the green molds of the components, which was sintered in a vacuum atmosphere to prevent the oxidation. After to get the components, the consolidated components, uh, characterization was performed by using micro hardness test, microstructural test analysis, um, structural analysis also with X-ray diffraction, and the mechanical properties of the components was evaluated by using compression test, inertial compression test. Also, we perform in vitro test, in vitro antibacterial behavior studies by using gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Yeah, this analysis is very preliminary for this study, but we want to present in this occasion to demonstrate the advance of the project. The main results in the microstructural analysis reveal that the alloy was composed mainly by the abiphasical microstructure characteristic of a stabilized titanium. Also, we found undifused tantalum particles, yeah, and this is corresponding for the inner and the outer layer, yeah, but without Cooper additions. In the outer layer with Cooper additions, we found a refinement of the microstructure, yeah, which is caused by the stabilization of titanium, which was provided by the Cooper. Also, in the structural analysis, we found the proofs of the BCC structure stabilization of titanium, yeah, with the presence of the alpha titanium phase, which is corresponding to the biphasical microstructure observed in microstructure analysis. With the Cooper addition in the outer layer, we observe the formation of titanium Cooper intermetallic. This precipitation was increased with the Cooper addition. This precipitation or the precipitation of this intermetallic is studied because of has proved good antibacterial properties, good antibacterial activity, even more than the elemental Cooper. After this, the microharness revealed an increase, a trend of increase in the values of microharness, which is appropriate for the components, because this could be an indicative of higher structural resistance, which is decided for the components. In this figure, we show the stress strain curves for the components, which reveal the stiffening of the components, yeah, with the Cooper addition, which is demonstrated by the higher yield strength, yes, with the Cooper addition, also with the highest amount of Cooper, we found an increase in the plasticity of the sample, yeah, higher Cooper additions to the components, higher than 7%, is not beneficial for this application because Cooper is relative toxic to higher atomic percent of 5 or 6% for Cooper. In this table, we found the results values, which demonstrate which I was telling you. And finally, we demonstrate some preliminary test of the antibacterial activity of the component. As I told you before, these tests are not very conclusive for us, so we have to perform some other test, more specialized test, to evaluate if these components are effectively bacterial activity for their application in biomedical implants. So that's it. Thank you everyone for your attention.